Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix unable to verify app and internet connection is required iOS 17. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Enable and disable aeroplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, enable aeroplane mode. Then wait for few seconds and disable it. Solution number 2. Turn off and on Wi-Fi connection. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap on Wi-Fi. On the Wi-Fi page, turn off Wi-Fi. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Solution number 3. Clear history and website data. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on Safari. On the Safari page, scroll down, tap Clear history and website data. Again tap Clear history. Solution number 4. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset network setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 5. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, tap Software Update. Software update is available. Tap Download and install to upgrade the iOS. Thanks for watching this video.